Good morning from American Muscle Car Museum in beautiful sunny Melbourne, Florida. Out from the collection today, a 1957 International Harvester pickup truck. It was the 50th anniversary of International's truck manufacturing, so they decided to bring out this Golden Jubilee to kind of commemorate that 50 years. The engine in it was a 220 cubic inch inline six, 113 horsepower, running into a 4-speed transmission. These were the old granny gear 4-speed transmissions that everybody knows about. You could put them in first gear, go out in the hay field and just turn the truck loose. You could just load hay all day. It just run right along. So this particular truck was frame off restoration, all numbers matching. Just a beautiful example. There was less than 500 of these trucks made, so it makes it a pretty rare truck. Beautiful combination, gold with the white, looks really good. So many of the people are at home, they're quarantined. This will give you a little something to look at. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. Again, thank you for watching American Muscle Car Museum.